Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mitesh Khatri. I'm a leadership trainer, best-selling author of two books, Awaken the Leader in You and The Law of Attraction. I'm also a digital coach. I'm helping people how to become coaches and trainers online and start selling their courses online within 90 days to make 3 lakh rupees per month. Today, I am very happy to introduce to you one of my mentors, one of my gurus. When I started my training career 16 years ago, in fact, 17 years ago, I wanted to know what is the training world all about, and I was looking for trainers whom I can learn from. So I found this gentleman, Dr. Sudhir Arora in Pune. I found a big advertisement those days in Times of India, and I saw his advertisement and I went and joined his course. That's how I know him. He's one of my personal mentors for many, many years now. And on 16th of March, he joined my course. So it's my privilege of the course called the Digital Coaching System. And because he wanted to now take his courses online and expand his online business as well. So here we are with Dr. Sudhir Arora. Sir, it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you to our course and to this interview. Thank you so much for coming over here and giving us your time, sir.
Thank you, Mitesh. It's been a privilege, my honor to be imagination. You are man possessed, obsessed with coaching. You have clarified my fund. Whatever I say is less for you, beyond my imagination. At my age of 64, you could teach me all these things in just 6 weeks. Hats off to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
all
you.
The automation. That's the whole thing. Automation.
Right, sir. Thank you so much. So do tell us a little about yourself. How many years you've been training? How many students do you have? What's your expertise?
Okay. My name is Dr. Sudhir Arora. I'm an MBBS doctor, and I've got 41 years of experience of solving people's problems, personal problems, emotional problems, without any medicines for the last 41 years. And I've been into coaching, group coaching for the last about 30 odd years in Pune.
That's right.
And all our trainings are about mind power secrets. And we wanted to take our courses online on a large scale. So that's why I talked to Mitesh ji and Indu ji, who are so dear to me. And my God, I can only say I'm speechless. The amount of service and the amount of guidance you have given, I could not have done it otherwise.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, sir, when you started as a digital coach, 16th of March, you started the journey with us. At that time, emotionally, how are you feeling about starting these courses online?
To be very honest, Mitesh, last 1 year, I've been into learning. And I had the honor to learn from 3-4 different coaches. They were all very kind, very nice. But somehow things were not clicking with me. The problem is not theirs, the problem is mine. I was too busy running my own courses. So I was not able to give the time, or whatever is the reason. Okay. But once I landed with you, I found a distinct change. You simplified everything. So my irritation, my frustration, I knew that I have to learn, I have to spend more time. I'm committed, I'm consistent, but it was back of the mind, it is not my cup of tea. It is not my cup of tea. Ho nahi raha, ho nahi raha. But coming to you was a wow moments. Every day was a wow moment for you, for me.
Thank you, sir. So you're saying that
very easy for me.
Thank you. Thank you. So what you're saying is before you came to the course, you learned the same concept of digital coaching from 2 or 3 different trainers. And in spite of that, the frustration continued. You were not really able to implement. So after you joined with us, how are you feeling now? It's been like almost 6 weeks, as you said. How are you feeling now about coaching online, about training your courses online?
My automation is done today. And on 6th, after 5 days, we are going to properly launch on a large scale. So 6 weeks have been very fruitful, huge amount of learning. And the value addition that you have given is priceless, priceless. And your personal touch, my God, You have taken personal touch not only with me, but I've seen you interacting with other students. Each and everybody's problem you have solved. And some people, they were quite a beginner, but still you were so patient, so tolerant. You answered all the questions. And if you could handle me at this age, you know, you can handle anybody. You can help anybody.
Thank you very much. So, sir, about when we started this journey, I said that one of the things we wanted to change in your way of training and coaching was that instead of going generic, we wanted to start training based on a specific niche and focus on that one topic. How was that process of selecting the niche for you? And what's that
Oh,
niche
you
that
made
you
it.
finally selected?
Oh, you made it a cakewalk. Ah, damn easy. The questionnaire that you got, the PDF, the Excel sheet you got, go through it, do it. You got the answer. It's very easy.
Okay. So you were able to easily select your niche.
Yes. It was very complicated thing for me, but you made it. It's the easiest thing. Easiest thing.
Thank you, sir.
I'm surprised. Why it took 1 year for me to know it?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And what was the niche that you finally selected?
That is stop stammering and start speaking confidently without fear, and especially without any speech therapy, because I'm not a speech therapist.
Wow.
Problem is not in the tongue. It is a fear in the mind.
That's right.
So basically I deal with fears, anxieties, depression, stress. Stammering is very acute.
Right. In fact, sir, if I'm not wrong, you're one of the only doctors in the country who's technically qualified to actually help people stop stammering. And you say you can do it in only 50 days. Am I right?
Honestly speaking, there is no technical qualification for stammering. I'm not a speech therapist. So because problem is not in the tongue, it is the fear. So basically, with all my experience of so many years, decades, some gyan has come to me, so I'm dealing with people. And honestly, I don't do anything in 50 days. People, I'm a catalyst. People follow the techniques. Simple steps. The system is there. Like you are taught the system, like system you are following. So similarly, I was also following a system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and people become stammering free.
Yeah,
without medicine, without speech therapy.
Wow, without speech therapy. So how many people have already been able to stop stammering and get out of their fear and speak confidently so far?
Few hundreds.
Oh, wow, a few hundreds. That's amazing. Because I think this is a very rare field. Not many people in the country are experts at how to stop stammering.
Yes. Anybody who's working in the field of stammering basically is either a speech therapist who has done a qualification course from any university, and or an ex-stammerer. And they're all working at the level of the tongue or the voice box. But with my experience, the problem is not in the tongue, it's not in the blood, not in the voice box, it is fear.
Right.
क्या कहेंगे लोग सबसे बड़ा रोग. So
absolutely.
Basically.
So I'm so glad, sir, that now your system is online, because now earlier where hundreds of people could take benefit of your course, I think now in the next 1 year, our aim is to make sure that we go to not only hundreds, but thousands and lakhs of people over a period of 1 or 2 years, so that more and more people can get benefit of this program, not only in India, but globally. And I think that's the best benefit that we can get also as trainers and coaches, that while others get benefit from our course, we have the benefit of going global when we start doing digital courses instead of doing offline courses. Does that make sense, sir?
Absolutely. Great.
So thank you so much, sir, for sharing that with us. What is the message that you can give to senior trainers like you who are already in the industry for quite some time? Should they start digital coaching system with me?
Mitesh, I would recommend freshers and middle level or senior trainers, coaches, aspiring coaches to just jump into your bandwagon. Honestly speaking, you are going to go great heights. You are already very successful as a corporate trainer offline. I know the amount of work that you have done. It's mind blowing.
Thank
So
you, sir.
same value addition, 10x value addition you are giving to all the aspiring coaches. And I absolutely recommend everybody. They must go online now. Ab nahi to kab.
Ab nahi to kab. That's a good one.
And why not? Let's help more people. The whole world is a market.
Absolutely.
India, 130 crore people. We need more trainers.
Absolutely. So there is a market for all trainers.
Absolutely. Every niche.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank you so much, sir, for that interview. And thank you for inspiring a lot of aspiring trainers. Thank you for inspiring a lot of senior trainers who were resisting to go online. But I think looking at you, if after 64 years of your age and with 41 years of training and coaching experience, if you can go online today and learn how to start building your website, learn how to technically sell courses online is just 6 weeks, I think anybody can do it. So thank you so much for
being.
One
thing more I'd like to add before we close. My son is doing technical stock analysis. He's a trader as well as a trainer. And going for stocks without any knowledge of technical stock analysis is a pure gambling.
That's true.
So you have to have head to analyze the stocks properly, and then with all the options and other techniques, strategies, people have been making huge amount of profit even during this corona pandemic.
That's right.
So he is also on to online training as a coach, and now he's going to join your course.
Right. So you're saying any field, technically, whether it's stocks, whether it is behavior coaching,
yes,
any field, people need to get online.
Yes, this is what I want to say basically, because it's a very specialized niche, technical stock analysis.
Right.
And we'll be getting people from all over the country. So he has to go now big time. So properly through you, he'll be joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for that vote of confidence. Thank you.
Thank you very much for all the help that you gave us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, so you saw what Dr. Sudhir Arora said right now. It's absolutely possible for anybody to become a digital trainer and coach online in just 6 weeks. If he can do it without any technical experience in 6 weeks, I'm telling you, you can. All right. So whether you are a senior trainer with 30, 40 years of experience, or whether you're an aspiring trainer and coach, if you really want to start online selling your courses, becoming a successful trainer and coach, welcome to my free webinar. Don't miss it. You're already getting this video as a part of that invitation, so please don't miss it. During the free webinar, I'm going to make sure that I share 3 important things with you, which will help you set up your training and coaching business within 90 days. Step 1, I'll share with you how to select your niche. Step 2, I will share with you not only how to select your niche, but how do you take your niche and build it on an online platform. How to make your website, what platform to choose, everything. All right. The whole complicated system that you think is too much to think of, I'll make it really simple for you during my webinar. Okay. That's the second thing. The third thing you will learn is very important. How do you sell yourself online? Right? Because selling yourself in the offline world is very different, but selling yourself in the online world, that's amazing technique. So how do you do that? I'm going to share all that step by step with you during my free webinar. So I'll see you there very soon, and don't miss it. The date is given in the email. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.